Now, instead of balancing, you can count the number of atoms on the left hand side and right hand side. If you don't want to balance the whole of the reaction, there are a bunch of reactants and products, a lot of them. And suppose we know that all of NaOH got consumed. All of NaOH got consumed, and it is asked that how much of Na2SO4 is produced. So one NaOH will produce half Na2SO4 because Na2SO4 has got two atoms of Na. Now, atoms of Na is not provided by any other thing in the reactant, then only NaOH is producing that Na2SO4. So it will require two NaOH to produce one Na2SO4. So it is, you may just forgo all other balancings and just concentrate on what is the product, provided you know that whole of NaOH is consumed. So we had to do the balancing over here to see which is getting consumed fully. But if you knew that it is only NaOH, and say it was given that enough amount of sulfuric acid is there, but there is only 8 grams of NaOH, then that 8 grams of NaOH is going to produce how much Na2SO4? You need not do any balancing. 8 grams of NaOH would mean 0.2 moles of NaOH. Now, NaOH has got one atom of Na. Na2SO4 has got two atoms of Na. So atoms are not going to get produced. Atoms remain same. If you have 0.2 moles of NaOH, which is having 0.2 moles of Na, it will have 0.2 moles of Na. So it can produce only 0.1 mole of Na2SO4, so that the moles of Na still remains 0.2 moles of Na will remain. So 0.1 mole of NaSO4 will be produced. So we'll get that 0.1 mole of NaSO4, multiply with the molar weight, which is 142, and get the total grams. That is in case it was given that H2SO4 is more than enough. So this is the guy which is going to get consumed. So you need not do balancing fully over there. So that is called principle of counting the atoms. So that's pretty much same as what is balancing, but it is only for the species which is being asked.